Bonjour les enfants! Today in French with Loveleen, we are going to learn the names of colors in French. Alors, c'est parti! Okay, so the first one is rouge. Rouge. That is red. And you know, this is my favorite color. And the next one is bleu. Bleu. That's blue. Yes. And you know, we have variety of blue colors. Like sometimes we say sky blue, royal blue, navy blue, isn't it? So let's learn all. So the first is bleu ciel. Bleu ciel. Ciel is sky, isn't it? So the same thing we are going to use here with bleu. So it is bleu ciel. That is sky blue. And this one is bleu roi. Bleu roi. You know otherwise what is roi? That is king. But here we are saying royal blue. That is bleu roi. And this one is bleu marine. Marine is all about marine, isn't it? Like navy. So we can just relate with this. So it is bleu marine. That is navy blue. And now let's see green color. That is vert. Vert green. And this is quite bright, huh? This one is jaune. Jaune. That is yellow. And this is very pretty color. Wow, wow, wow. This is rose. Rose. This is not rose, okay? Like rose flower. No, this is the color name. That is rose means pink. And this one is, it's just like English language, isn't it? Same spellings and even the same color. That is orange. 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 And this one is, it's white. Absolutely, it's white. But how to say white in French? That is blanc. Blanc. Very good. And now this one, it's noir. Noir. Yes, it is black. Noir. And now this one is violet. 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 That is violet, or even you can say purple. Now this is marron. Marron. That is brown. You know, we have brun also brown, and marron also brown. Then we have variety of gray color. That is gris. Gris. That is gray. And now if it is light gray, so we'll say gris clair. And if it is dark gray, we say gris foncé. Foncé is dark. Okay. So gris clair, gris foncé. And now let's see this one. This is very pretty, huh? We always need it, you know, shimmery sort of golden color. And we call it doré. 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 That is golden. And now this one. Silver. That is argent. Argent. That is silver. Argent. And now, quiz time. And my first question is, de quelle couleur sont ces cœurs? What color are these hearts? Rose, rouge. Rose, rouge. Yes, choose the right answer. Yes, it is rouge. Bravo. And now let's see this one. De quelle couleur sont ces raisins? What color are these grapes? Noir, violet. Noir, violet. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me. Bravo. It is violet. That is violet. Or you can say purple. And now let's see this one. De quelle couleur est cette feuille? Means what color is this leaf? And this is The options are vert, marron, vert, marron. Yes, the answer is parfait. Yes, it is vert. That is green. Okay, so this one is de quelle couleur est cette fleur? What color is this flower? Vert ou orange? Vert, orange. Yes, it is super easy, huh? Yes, it is orange. That's orange. That's all for today's lesson. Merci beaucoup d'avoir appris avec moi. On se retrouve très bientôt pour une nouvelle leçon. Au revoir.